हे हाय एवरीवन। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरी चैनल पे एंड दिस इज माय फर्स्ट वीडियो ऑन यूट्यूब। माय नेम इज अंकिता as I have already said to you and I'm an English language trainer. I train people about spoken English, I train people on communication skills, and I do have expertise into voice and accent coaching. So in this video I am gonna cover what all can you do to master your English from zero to hero. I mean, anybody can do that, right? So let me tell you, people always have this excuse that, you know what, I don't have anybody at my home with whom we can talk in English. My dear, it's just an excuse. English is just a language. And trust me when I say that, anybody can do it. Anybody can learn this language. This is just a language. And if you follow the right ways or the right strategy, you can easily master it. All you have to do is that you just have to be patient while learning, and you just have to be so consistent while learning. Now, let me just tell you something more. So basically, before creating this video, as I have been planning this video recording, YouTube channel, and my Insta and all. So I was planning this from a long time. I mean, I have always been planning that I'll do this, I'll do that. But somehow I was not able to do. To be honest, I didn't have courage to make it. So today I finally am standing here, irrespective of caring about the background which I really have, irrespective of caring about how I look like, how my looks is, how I appear to be honest. So I always had this insecurities, and somehow I believe that it's okay if I'll just care about insecurities of mine. I can never do great in my life, honestly speaking. So I have always been, वो कहते हैं ना पर्दे के पीछे. So yes, I have always been, I mean, so invisible to people, to be honest. For some reason, because I have always been heard people saying, you know, you don't look good, you're this, you're that, so blah 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 shit. So I have finally said to myself that no, Ankita, I'll have to do it now. We just have to create vlog, or you can create anything. You just have to create your channel on YouTube, on Insta, and you just have to come here. So speaking about English language, you know what? You don't have to do anything. Anybody can learn this language from scratch to top. Now, what do you have to do? You just have to learn. You just have to be so open. If somebody is telling you that, you know, you are actually mistaking here, you're committing mistakes. Now, there are so many people who will say that, अरे मुझे मत सिखा क्या है? So ignore those people. अगर आप सच में सीखना चाहते हैं ना, you'll have to be so open. अगर कोई भी कुछ बताता है, ready to accept. Okay? Always be ready to accept what others are actually telling you. Second thing, now when we are talking about accepting the mistakes, what it actually mean? आप कहीं से भी start करते हो, सबसे पहले spoken English का जो सबसे बड़ी बात होता है ना, वो ये होता है कि आपको क्या करना है, एकदम बेसिक से स्टार्ट करना. आपको ऐसे स्टार्ट करना है जैसे आपको कुछ आता ही नहीं है. यू जस्ट हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच. ओके, so now where you have to start from? You have to start from the basic one. The basic, like you just have to start from the introduction, the use of there, the use of has, have, do, does, did. So basically these are very common uses that we use, right? You have to start using the simple present tense and all the tenses, models, and all those things. Now when you're just learning any tenses, or when you're just learning any prepositions, models, or any structures, you have to use it in your day-to-day life. Apart from these things, people often talk about grammar. I'll only say that in grammar what matters is that your tense matters, your models matters, your preposition, phrases, idioms. These things are, I mean, it's okay, it's enough to master this language for beginners, and even for the intermediate, and even for anybody. Now, apart from this, now we have to start from. You just have to start from listening, speaking, reading, writing. Now, this language has got only four fundamental. That is listening, speaking, reading, writing. Not only this language, but also in any language in a world which you really want to master, be it any language. You can easily learn any language just by following this method, which I've already just told you. That is LSRW. Listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Now, when it comes to listen, now you must be having this question that what do you have to listen, right? You can listen in the beginning. If you are a beginner, do not watch something like Hollywood movies with subtitles and all. You cannot watch English music or English movies, which I believe that that is not much comprehensible for you, for a reason, because I believe that in the beginning, you just have to listen a very small stories, a very short stories. Like there are so many stories, right? The short stories आपने देखा होगा, which we have on YouTube, like once upon a time there was a village, like this. So we do have that kind of videos available on YouTube. So for the beginners, I'll definitely recommend these kind of videos. You can definitely go there and you can watch it. Now, once you're done with these things, apart from this listening, you can also practice the another listening, that is you have to imitate, which is also known as shadowing technique. You have to listen to the things which you do every day in the morning, anything. So basically you have to listen that daily. You just have to watch any routines which talks about daily routine. You have to watch the action which we do. All you have to do is that you just have to listen in English. And while listening, you don't have to do the passive listening. Now you must be thinking what this passive listening actually means. It just means that, so basically we have two listenings. That is active and passive. Now passive is that, for example, so many of the times what people are doing, what I do often is that I often go to my kitchen and along with my work, I just play anything and I start listening. So basically that is considered as passive listening. That is not active listening, because completely I'm not focused what that person is actually speaking about. Okay, now talking about this active listening. You are so focused, so concentrated on listening part. You're actually listening it, right? So that is considered as listening, active listening. Now, apart from this, now when you read, try to read out loud. Tons of people are out there who often reads inwardly. My dear, you don't have to read it inwardly. You just have to read it out loud. Start reading 1 hour per day if you are a beginners. Now, coming to the next section, that is writing. Start journaling. Start writing about your day. Start writing about your feelings, about your emotions, what you actually feel like. You can take any random topic and you can actually write about that very things. Make this in your habit. Just as soon as it's possible, inculcate it, because this is so beneficial, let me tell you. Now, in addition to these things, the one of the most important thing that we have to do if we are a beginner or anybody who wants to brush up their spoken English, you just have to speak. अब हमने listening किया, reading किया, writing किया. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज है हमारा स्पीकिंग, क्योंकि आपने सुना, आपने लिखा, आपने बोला. अगर आप नहीं बोलोगे, अगर आप बोलते ही नहीं हो, तो ये सारी चीज जानने का कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. सो वी हैव टू स्पीक इट आउट. जो भी आपने सुना, जो भी आपने बोला, उसको बोलना है. अब स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग इन योर इंग्लिश. सो रैंडमली यू हैव टू टेक एनी ऑब्जेक्ट which you see in your surroundings, in your area, and you have to talk about this. Start describing any objects at least for 2 or 3 minutes continuously without taking pause. Make sure yourself that you don't have to repeat this sentence over and over again. Okay. Now, another things which you can do, start creating vlog in English. So whatever you do it in English. जैसे हिंदी में होता है ना, हम क्या करते हैं, अपना फोन लेते हैं और कुछ भी करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. हेलो गाइज, आई एम ईटिंग गाइज. वैसे आपको करना है हे गाइज, blah blah blah. You can speak anything. And another thing, and the bonus tip is that, my dear learner, just don't think about committing mistakes. क्योंकि आप जब तक मिस्टेक्स करोगे नहीं, आपको अपनी गलती का पता चलेगा नहीं. So mistakes. So always be ready to commit mistakes, because this is the best way to learn anything. Trust me when I say this. And so now you're good to go. You can practice these all exercises in your everydays, and you can see a great changes in your spoken English within 1 month or 2 months. You can see it. I will see you in other videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.